Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Kazi Ahmed from Designer Dollar, and today I will show you about the new features of Adobe InDesign 2022. And we all know that Adobe has announced the new version of Adobe Creative Clouds for apps and softwares, and we are good to go to use the softwares as well. And again, this gonna be the most interesting video forever, because the new softwares are very known as the on the go software, fresh our mind and make us happy. So without any further ado, let's get started. And if you are new in my channel, so consider subscribing. And if you have any question after watching this video, then definitely you can write down in the comment section. I will leave my decision or my answers if possible. So if it helps you a lot, so definitely share this video on your timeline and on your other social networks. So let's get started. So from now you can easily open the Adobe InDesign. So I'm going to open the InDesign CC 2022. So just click on that, and after clicking on the Adobe InDesign software, you can see it will take some minute, and after clicking on the software it will appear. Okay, fine. Let's go with the new document here. So I'm taking the new document, and this is already symbolized with I think 20 pages, because I recently created this artboard, or you can see the pages, sorry, not artboard. So you can delete the libraries from here. And first of all, you have to recognize something, that this newly version will capture the Adobe Capture. You can easily transfer each and every file from the Adobe Capture to InDesign. I want to basically I will let you know that it works like that. So after clicking on that, I will going to open an image from my PC, and here you can see the file here. Okay, so I will click on the all files and will take an image. Okay, I think I should go with this image. Mainly this is basically a logo. Okay, it will show that I have to click. Okay, just give in a minute. I think I don't need all of the pages, so I will quit some of them. And okay, this is the image. Okay, this is another, this is Illustrator file. Okay, I will take it here. Okay, nice. So click, and again you can just drag the image here, and now you are good to go. So if you want to decrease the size of it, you can easily click on the shift and alter, but it won't work happily, because it will decrease your files. So just okay, so I think you should bring the image here and just right click and then go to the fitting, and again you can click on the fitting option, fit content to frame. No, okay, shift, pressing the shift. No, sorry. Again I can take another file here, go to the desktop and just bring out them, just drag and drop, and again you can select the frame here. Oh shit, select the frame here, and again you can just pressing the shift keyboard, you can easily move around. Okay, I just zoom into the first page and you can see this is the actual image. Click on that. Okay, if you want to see the whole image here, you can definitely just resize the image. Okay, now fine, it's look so professional. Mainly this is basically a Facebook cover that I designed a few days ago. So if you want to know the font, or if you want to find the similar font of your whatever you are looking at on the screen, you can definitely grab from those area. Just click on the image and just go to the object and click on the extract from image. Or another thing you can do it, just drag this image to the your library, the Creative Cloud CC libraries, and then click on this and just click on the plus button and extract from image. Now you are good to go, and you can see the images informations from here, the color themes. So I will show you the features step by step so that you can grab the attention from here, and you can put all the you can go beyond the limitation. So just you can see the colors here. These colors are arranged from the image, the existing image you are watching right now, whatever image it is. So the blue, the here is the color code, here is the color shading and the color hue. You can definitely grab from here, and you can also change the color mode from here, the brightness, the muted color, the deep color, the dark color, or none. So I will go with the colorful, and you can definitely grab whatever, or while you are working from which things you can do it. And you can also drag this circle from here to here, and definitely it will help you a lot to identify the actual hue or color, and you can easily bring this color onto the Adobe themes or Adobe color themes, and definitely you can see the binary colors, the colors code, the colors actual RGB and CMYK complementary color. You can definitely go with whatever you like. So these are the colors, and again you can save onto the CC libraries, but I'm not going to upload or re-upload anything. And this is the shape. You can easily modify the detail of this shape. Basically you can see, if I don't want the background, I can definitely move this detail 30 to 33, and again you can invert it. Okay, for the selection, and smooth on save, you can save with smoothly. So I'm not going to touch anything, but I should select the 46, and again you can go with the type. Now this is the time for finding the similar fonts from this image, and again I can drag the size from here. And basically because of the proportion is slightly up of this image, you can definitely you cannot resize beyond the this limitation, but this will make you a idea. Just click and just find similar fonts, and you are good to go. And you can see the similar fonts are here. And again, not just this, you can also, you are good to edit this handwriting anywhere. But now you can face some issues, because I have said already that these images, the text of this image is slightly up to the side, so that it cannot remain its proportion. So that's why I am facing this kind of issue. And I can refresh it again, and you can select the similar fonts or edit the similar fonts from here. And this is actually very handy to work with. and now I will close it, or you can save onto the CC libraries or paragraph style, the character style, whatever you like, but I will go I will cancel it. And now again the new feature, the actual new feature is it. And you I hope that this feature will help you a lot, and it will help you to less consuming your time. So again you can share this work while you are working, and quick export as PDF from here. You can see the high quality print, the smallest quality print, the PDF basic rendering for formula or algorithm. So you can export it here, and you can save it as a package and share for review with others, so that your team members can easily see your works and experience your works, and they will leave a comment for you. So this is the thing, and you can actually publish I mean to say that you can actually publish it online through these InDesign apps and export while you are working. So this is so handy. And again the another thing you can see into the edit. If you are using the Windows version PC, you can go with the edit menu, or if you are using the Mac, you can go to the directly preferences menu. Okay, click on the user interface scaling. This is the new feature of this Adobe InDesign 2022, and again you can see the actual user interface scaling. So how it works. So if you are thinking that the process of working it's, so I will suggest you if you are using the retina display, or if you're using the high resolution display, so you can it works so that you can easily watch the design, you can easily watch the typography from for which is inputted on to your design. So if I increase the size of it and click on the OK, you can see that restart now. Okay, I will restart it. No, I don't need the actual image, and it will gonna restart it. Okay, you can see it will take a little bit time, and you can see the all the image and text here is now bigger. And if you want to set it to the smaller size, you can go with the edit and go to preferences. After going to the preferences, you can click on the user scaling, user interface scaling, and again you can select the smaller size. And again this is the new feature that scale cursor proportionally. If you want your cursor to scale proportionally, definitely you can check on it, and I need it so that I can easily work. And this is the anchor point. If I click on the bigger size, you can see if I again restart it, it will take some seconds, not a minute, I hope, as I am using the 2GB graphics card. And if you are using more of mine, then definitely you can experience some better handling with the software. And now if I click on the magazine cover that I actually created or designed a few days ago, I can see the boundaries line here. And now it is so big, and it is some you can say destructive. And if you don't want this destructive mode, you can go to the preferences again and click on the user interface scaling, and just turn this just move around this cogwheel, and now you can see now it becomes smaller. So this is the some features of Adobe InDesign 2022. And the last feature of Adobe InDesign 2022. So you can go to the keyboard shortcuts. And now this is the new feature. You can see the AI or PS. That means you can easily transfer your existing Photoshop shortcuts from the Photoshop or the Illustrator to the InDesign. And if I click on this icon, Adobe Illustrator shortcuts, definitely it will turn all the settings just like the Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop. So I don't going to click on any icon because I am happy with the default setting of Adobe InDesign, and these are the settings that I have shown you. And these new features will help you a lot to for the smoothness of your workflow, and definitely it will help. So I will request you to feel free to ask me any question regarding graphic design, video editing and After Effects. If you want to ask me anything, then write on the comment section. I will definitely answer if possible, and if I think that the information I will provide you actually the with more professionally and consistently, then I will definitely answer you. And again, if you are interested in learning graphic design, motion graphics and video editing, then definitely follow on my other social platforms like LinkedIn, my Instagram, my Twitter handle, the Reddit handle, the Quora handle, whatever you like. It's you are free to feel free to subscribe my YouTube channel, and feel free to follow me on my other social media platform.